So now we're on the last section of this test. We have that it's over transformations. It's worth 10 points on your exam. So we have this equation right here, and we have this equation right here. So I'm going to talk about this one first, and then we'll move on to that one. So here, remember, I want you guys to write down when you get to this problem, I had over. Okay, remember that I stands for inside. This is a horizontal shift. This does the opposite of what you think it's going to do, and it affects your domain. On this one, it's outside the parentheses. It's a vertical shift. It does exactly what you think it's going to do, and it affects your range. Okay? So we're just going to start with what we can see. Here, let's just look, first things first here, inside our parentheses. So we're inside our parentheses just because it's the easiest thing to spot.
Okay.
It's the easiest thing to spot. So we have an x minus 2. So remember, x lies when it tells you what it's doing. When you see minus 2, you think it's going to go left. But it does the opposite of what you think it's going to do, which means it's actually going to go to the right. So we're moving to the right how many units? Right here it's a 2, which means we're moving to the right 2. So right here it says, did the line shift left or right? It shifted right by 2 units. Okay? And now we have something else being added, but it's outside my parentheses. This positive 7. It's outside. That means it's a vertical shift, and it does exactly what you think. We're adding 7, which means it's going to go up. So it shifted up 7 units. But we're not completely done yet. Still, we have this 3 out here. It is outside my parentheses, which means it's a vertical shift, and it's going to do exactly what you think it's going to do. So when you're multiplying by a number greater than 1, it is vertically stretched. Vertically stretched. Okay? So just because we're running out of time, you guys can do this one by yourself, but remember this is less than 1, meaning it's compressed. And this moves left, this moves down, okay? And then you should be able to do this on your own. So best of luck on your exam tomorrow. Hope you do great.